Hello, Southern Tennessee Mom. Today we are going to make a candy dish. I bought these. They're really cute. These candy dishes are plastic, but they have a seal on them. I bought them at a thrift store, and I give 50 cents for them. Now, I've already washed the inside of these out, but I was going to show you a trick. This is wrote on here with marker, and this is the alcohol pad. Just take it's dried out. Let me get another one. Okay, get a fresh one here. Just take and it'll wipe right off. So that's just a little trick. I also got these at the same thrift store, and they were 50 cents each too. And I'm just cleaning up off the marker off of these too. But that's a great trick. And then you're gonna need, of course, E6000. And then hot glue gun and glue sticks. And then of course you'll need whatever candy of your choice that you choose. I've got some double bubble 2 bags of this I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I've got 2 boxes I also got from the Dollar Tree of Whoppers. My kids love Whoppers. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take the lid off for the moment. And I'm going to put some E6000. Actually, I'll put the lid back on it. I don't want to get the insides dirty. But you can see they're a little bit different, but they are so cute. I'm just going to put some E6000 on the rims of the candlesticks here. Now, I chose not to paint these candlesticks, and I don't want to paint I want to keep the design on the container there. That's my choice. If you want to change that, that's fine, but I like it, and I'm going to leave it like that. Now I'm going to add some hot glue, just so I get a quick hold. I'm going to line it up in the center. And just give it a firm press and hold. Okay. Now let me do the other one. And again, I'm just going to line it up in the center and give it a press and hold. You know, the E6000 will take longer to set up and dry, but the hot glue will give it instant bond. So, but still it'll be permanent by the time the E6000 dries. So now I'm going to open that one up. And also, I've got a pair of scissors here. I'm just going to cut the tops off of those, make my life a little easier. And I'm going to fill it up with gumballs. Double gum. Put the lid back on this one. And you can see it makes a really cute dish. Like this one, I'm going to put the whoppers in this one. And there we have it. We have, I probably could have done one more bag of the gumballs, but that's okay. I'll get a bag later. But you can see how cute that is. And it's fun and festive for the holidays, and they're just adorable. And my kids will love having the candy and the sweets around. It's a holiday, so you're supposed to have that, right? All right. You have a blessed day, and good night.